Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by enabling Gboard so it can replace your current keyboard. Open Settings and go to Languages and Input. Once there, tap Virtual Keyboard. You must allow Gboard in Manage Keyboards, flip the switch and follow any prompts to grant permissions. Make sure to set Gboard as the default input method. This ensures every app uses it. Once done, open a text field to bring up the keyboard and confirm you see the Gboard layout and G icon at the top. You'll now customize Gboard for faster typing and gestures. Open the Gboard app from your launcher. Tap Preferences to change keyboard height and layout, which affects thumb reach and accuracy. Back in Settings, enable glide typing and voice typing so you can swipe words or speak messages hands-free. Add languages under Languages to switch quickly. Make sure predictive text and emoji suggestions are turned on for richer input. These changes fine-tune how you type and why each option speeds common tasks. Finish by using Gboard's advanced toolbar features. Tap the G icon to open Search, Clipboard, Translate, GIF, stickers, and more. Use Clipboard for repeated text and Translate for live translations. If Gboard lags or crashes, clear cache and app info, confirm microphone and storage permissions, or uninstall and reinstall to reset settings. If languages aren't switching, remove and re-add them. One key tip: reboot your phone after major changes. That often resolves persistent input issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.